Your Subaru is designed to help take you and your passengers safely along life's adventures. But unfortunately, the unpredictable can sometimes get in the way. In case your Subaru is ever involved in an accident, there are key steps you can take to help ensure it's repaired properly. This starts with understanding your insurance policy and your basic customer repair rights. First, no matter which insurance provider you have, you always have the right to choose where your Subaru is repaired. Secondly, you have the right to request that your insurer and your chosen collision center agree to use only new Subaru genuine collision parts for replacement, unless this is limited by your insurance policy. Where and how your Subaru is repaired can have a substantial impact on its final appearance, its performance, and most importantly, on its structural integrity and the onboard technologies that are designed to help keep you safe. This is why we recommend having your vehicle repaired at a Subaru Certified Collision Centre. For a collision center to be certified by Subaru, it must offer Subaru-approved collision parts, trained technicians, tools and equipment, and repair procedures both before and after the repair. These standards help ensure everything comes together correctly, so your Subaru will look, perform, and continue to help protect you, your occupants, and others on the road, just the way it did before your incident. It's important to use Subaru-approved parts for repair because it can make a big difference. Some insurance policies may require the use of aftermarket, salvaged, or reconditioned parts to lower the cost, but these parts may not have been manufactured to the same specifications or properly safety tested like your vehicle's original parts were. Only Subaru genuine collision parts are guaranteed to fit, to keep your vehicle's appearance and retain the protective capabilities our engineers specified when your Subaru was built. Subaru genuine collision parts are also designed to help ensure the correct operation of driver assist features, like those of Subaru EyeSight. Don't assume your vehicle will automatically be repaired using new, genuine Subaru collision parts. Some insurance policies won't cover the cost, so be sure to discuss this with your insurer before you authorize any repairs. You can ask the collision center for a written, itemized repair estimate before allowing any work to be done to be sure you're getting the parts you want. We hope you're never involved in an accident, but if it happens, use this information to get the repairs you deserve so you can get your Subaru back as it was built, with everything that made you fall in love with it in the first place.